there's always one thing to do. What do you think that is, Sniper? Answer my question, or I'm gonna make you out of KFC. Alright, do you want to answer my question? Sniper! Look, say hi. Say hi. Sniper! Copy me. Go. Come on, don't be shy. Is him camera shy? Sniper! Well, anyways, when you're home alone, all you gotta do is scream your favorite line. And I know everyone's favorite line has to be Nico, Nico. I don't know how to pronounce the name, if it's Nico or Nico. I don't know. Can you scream that for us, bird? Sniper! Scream Nico, Nico, Nee. Are you not gonna do that? Sniper, look, this is the camera. See, we can't get the mouse now because of the coronavirus. Come here. Sniper. Here, let me screw you this way. Hello! Hello, Sniper! Sniper, look, I'm gonna, because even though the comments are gonna be turned off, I don't care because I feel like people are still gonna be like, oh my god, that's a fake bird. This is not a fake bird. I got him. See? It's not fake. You're not fake, are you, Sniper? Say, I'm a real bird. I'm a real bird. Isn't that right, Sniper? Oh, look at your reflection in the mirror. Oh, that's so cute. Why? You're so cute. Sniper. And if you want to know why I named him Sniper, it's after Esta Sniper Wolf because I love her. Sniper, come here, baby. Aw, him is so sweet. Bye.